Gizmo. My new glidey board is rad. Woohoo! It gets a seriously big palms up. Palm-tastic!
I'm going to buy one of those.
Huh? Glump, we gotta use Palm's sweet skills to our advantage.
What did you say?
I said I've got a plan.
How do you know what to vlog about?
Well, sometimes I like to find out cool info and share it with other oolies. And other times, I give my honest opinion, good and bad. Watch. Hey, Gizmo, look at those dirty windows on the town hall. They are not palm-tastic.
Hello.
I'm up here! Oh, yes. Gotta get him looking palm-tastic.
Yeah.
Wow, Palm has some serious sway.
Affirmative, Alva. And it's all because Pom's being genuine, and oolies respect that. Aw, thanks, Mo.
Hey, you. We couldn't help notice that those ooly foolies love you. But what are you getting out of your vlog?
Happiness, because I'm making other oolies' lives better.
Nothing then.
Huh?
Want to get some real benefits?
Like what?
Let's do a deal. We'll send you things, and you vlog about them. Make them cool and palm-terrific.
Palm-tastic.
You keep anything we send you, and if you do your job right, we'll sell more stuff. Totally palm-standing.
Palm-tastic. What do you think, Alva?
I don't know, Palm. Does it sound too good to be true?
Is Palm afraid of a challenge? We thought she was a super vlogger with lots of sway. But maybe we came to the wrong oolie.
I could sell troll goods in my sleep. Challenge accepted.
Excellent. Just sign here. Standard contract, blah, blah.
Done. We should read it first.
Pleasure doing business with you. We'll send the stuff later.
Are you sure about this, Oolie Palm?
Don't worry, it'll be fine. I'll move those troll goods and prove I can influence anything. Oh, what was I thinking? This is an oolie disaster. I can't sell these things.
That is the worst shampoo I've ever smelled. It's so stinky, it's scaring away the flies.
This wind spinner is so complicated that, by my calculations, it would take an oolie 6 days to assemble. And these old giznanas are too rotten to eat. I can't vlog about these things.
I'm sorry, Palm. This must feel terrible. Maybe you can send the stuff back to the trolls and end the deal.
That won't be possible, Alva. Palm has to say nice things about the goods the trolls send her.
Could Palm just ignore the contract?
No. Signing a contract is like making a promise that you are not allowed to break. But Palm can end the deal after 3 items are sold. I should have thought more carefully before agreeing to this. If I lie and say these things are great, I'll lose my fans. Why would they follow me if I'm not real?
Maybe there's a way to still be real and do what you agreed to do.
Oh, now that would be palm-tastic. But what?
What did you say earlier? Sometimes you like to find out cool info and share it with other oolies. Maybe there's something cool about these things you can talk about.
Oh, Alva, you're a genius. Hey, Gizmo! Check out these things I got from the troll cart. Troll shampoo. Definitely not to be used for washing your hair. Ew.
What? This is not what we agreed.
But if you have a fly problem in your home, then leave this out and problem solved.
I'll take 2 bottles of shampoo.
You're doing great.
Now, this wind spinner is totally perfect for anyone who's into complicated puzzles. Oh! I I love puzzles.